Girl, you do that little thing a little too good. Girl, you do your little dance a little too good. Girl, you drop it down low and pop that pussy for a nigga a little too good. Then you take it to the top like you never ever stop. Girl, you do that little too good. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. Whoa. Girl, you do that little thing a little too good. Girl, you do your little dance a little too good. Girl, you drop it down low and pop that pussy for a nigga a little too good. Then you take it to the top like you never ever stop. Girl, you do that little too good. I don't think I'm gonna last. The way you doing that got me questioning your past. But I'm thinking about cuffing, cause I don't want nobody else busting this too good. Man, about whatever. Y'all niggas think you do it better, nigga, you should. I see your squad, your whole side. Y'all niggas don't look like you doing too good. They don't want me to pop, you want me to stop. Too bad, cause I'm too good. Oh man, this nigga right here looking too good. First off, shout out to my jeweler. Got a nigga looking slick like the ruler. Hood line coming up, wait for it. Nigga, free my nigga Tuka. If you never met my mama, never been to my crib, boy, then I swear I never knew you. When you born in St. Louis, you got two choices. You either be a target or a shooter. All the beats I've been getting, I've been ripping on them. What competition, nigga, I've been shitting on them. Man, you ever had some pussy so good, you gotta pull it out quick and then try to switch positions on it. Pussy so poppin', party probably pay for it. I put my head for it, I eat it, say grace for it. I need it right now, can't wait for it. I take a bus, train, plane, and a skateboard. Man, I might put a ring on this and let the whole world know this is my bitch. Every time you getting ready in the mirror, you always end up twerking and it's always the my shit. Came in, that shit not the same. MCM trench and a big other chain. I don't know who this Fontaine nigga is, but a young boy moving like a Big Daddy Kane. Girl, you drop it down low and pop that pussy for a nigga a little too good. Then you take it to the top like you never ever stop. Girl, you do that a little too good. I don't think I'm gonna last. The way you doing that got me questioning your past. But I'm thinking about cuffing, cause I don't want nobody else busting this too good. Man, about whatever. Y'all niggas think you do it better, nigga, you should. I see your squad, your whole side. Y'all niggas don't look like you doing too good. They don't want me to pop, you want me to stop. Too bad, cause I'm too good. Oh man, this nigga right here looking too good. God damn it, nigga done landed. All the bitches coming sticky, draw bandit. I'm the man, baby, on and off campus. 40 bras in the crib, 20 ounce Spanish. Stop talking about the shits that you ain't with. Stop posting pictures of the bitches that you can't get. Two things you need to know about me, girl. I'm a dog skin nigga and I ain't shit. But goddamn, your ass is the miss. Got me thinking that your past ain't the clearest. But I've been watching it begging for a fall night. I wanna see it in a match with some real. Let me tell you that I find you attractive. And you know what they say, finders keepers. Smack her hard on the ass 3 times. Wop, wop, wop. Now look, you sponsored by Adidas. Girl, last time I see your ass, you looking more thicker. Don't be shy, you can't hide what the Lord giving. Got these jealous bitches hating and reporting pictures. Just for looking at your ass, you just charge niggas. Girl, you can be a stripper or a bartender. You can make a lot of money just for pouring liquor. And Lord knows if you hop on that pole, then you not going home with nothing lower than 4 figures. I don't just rap, I'm an artist. In love with the facts. Matter of fact, I'm the hardest. I love when I tell them my plans. They say I can't get it done and I do it regardless. And baby, your body's a blessing. It's strictly perfection. That lust and Susan installers. And they just tell me I'm too raw. That's how them charges get caught and the families get started. When you drop it down low and pop that pussy for a nigga a little too good. Then you take it to the top like you never ever stop. Girl, you do that a little too good. I don't think I'm gonna last. The way you doing that got me questioning your past. But I'm thinking about cuffing, cause I don't want nobody else busting this too good. Man, about whatever. Y'all niggas think you do it better, nigga, you should. I see your squad, your whole side. Y'all niggas don't look like you doing too good. They don't want me to pop, you want me to stop. Too bad, cause I'm too good. Oh man, this nigga right here looking too good.
We wanted to talk to you about the video that you made.
Did you like it?
No, I didn't.
Then I didn't make it. Bye-bye.
What?